Dark circles around the eyes can be caused by several factors, including causes: lack of sleep. Poor sleep can cause blood vessels to dilate, making the under-eye area appear darker. Genetics: some people naturally have darker pigmentation under their eyes. Aging: as we age, skin loses collagen and becomes thinner, making blood vessels more visible. Dehydration: lack of water can make skin appear dull and sunken. Allergies: allergic reactions cause itching and rubbing, leading to dark circles. Excessive screen time: eye strain from prolonged screen exposure can darken the area. Sun exposure increases melanin production, leading to pigmentation under the eyes. Poor diet: deficiency in iron, vitamin K, or other nutrients can worsen dark circles. Smoking and alcohol dehydrate skin and affect circulation, leading to darkness. How to cure and reduce dark circles: improve sleep. Get at least 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water and consume water-rich foods. Use cold compress, apply chilled cucumber slices, tea bags, or ice packs to reduce puffiness. Apply eye creams, use creams containing vitamin C, retinol, caffeine, or hyaluronic acid. Eat a healthy diet, include iron-rich foods, leafy greens, and vitamin C sources. Protect from sun. Wear sunscreen and sunglasses when outdoors. Reduce screen time, take breaks, and follow the 20-20-20 rule every 20 minutes. Look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Try home remedies. Aloe vera gel, almond oil, or potato juice may help lighten the area. Medical treatments: if persistent, consult a dermatologist for options like chemical peels, laser therapy, or fillers.